The 2025 Tesla Model 3 continues to show why safety remains one of its strongest selling points, especially after the latest passenger-side, small overlap crash test from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. This is one of the toughest, real-world crash scenarios designed to simulate a narrow frontal impact that puts extreme stress on the vehicle structure and restraint systems. In this test, the front passenger side of the Model 3 held up extremely well. The safety cage stayed stable, and intrusion into the cabin remained minimal. From a human perspective, that matters because it means more space for occupants to move safely during impact, reducing the risk of serious injury. The passenger dummy measurements showed strong protection for the head, neck, chest, legs, and feet, which is not easy to achieve in this type of crash. Tesla's restraint systems also played a major role here. The airbags deployed correctly, and the seat belt system kept the passenger well positioned throughout the crash. The result was a good rating across all major categories, confirming that the Model 3 offers balanced protection on both sides of the vehicle, not just for the driver.